A very glorious good morning, one and all. I greet you all in this wonderful and happiest moment, and I'm so happy to be here standing in front of you. And I would like to say a few words about Nick Vujicic, who is real lion in his life. See who is he? He is the lion. He is the real lion in his life. Let's go to the topic or altitude. Altitude is altitude. Imagine having no arms to strength in the morning to help you stretch that itch to allow you to wrap your arms around your loved ones. Imagine having no legs to kick pebbles down the street, to walk or run, to bicycle or skateboard, or get you from point A to point B. Then imagine both at once, which is what Dick Vujicic has faced his whole life. Have you heard something like this before? Nick Vujicic was born with no arms and legs, but he doesn't let the details stop him. The brave 26-year-old, who is mainly a torso, plays football and golf, swim and surfers despite having no limbs. And I will show you like he is swimming and he is playing golf without arms. I call it my chicken drumstick. Joker Nick, who was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now lives in Los Angeles. I believe lost with it. Water sport or not, Nick's only think he also plays golf with a club tucked around his chain, and he is huge fan of English Premier language. His parents decided not to send him to special school, a decision he said was very hard for him, but which is may have been the best decision they could have made for him. When Nick was born, his father was so shocked that he left the hospital room to omit. His distressed mother could not bring herself to him until he was 4 months old. Until he was 4 months old. His disability came without any medical explanation. A rare occurrence called pneumia, and Nick and his parents spent many years asking why this cruel trick would happen to them. My mother was a nurse and she did everything right during pregnancy, but she still blamed herself, he said. It was hard for them, but right from the start they did their best to make me independent. My dad put me in the water at 18 months and gave the courage to learn how to swim. I also got really into football and skateboarding. I totally love the English Premier language. Nick's father was a computer programmer and he accountant, and he taught his little son how to type with his toe at just 6 years old. His mom invented a special plastic device that meant he could hold a pen and pencil. Despite the risk of being bullied, his parents insisted and he is attending mainstream school. It was the best decision they could have made for me. Adds Nick, who later achieved a degree in financial planning and real estate. It was very hard, but it gave me independence. Nick, who was teased and bullied, had an electric wheelchair for mobility and a team of carriers to him. I was deeply depressed when I was 8 years old, he said. I went to my mom crying and told her I want to I wanted to kill myself. I wanted to kill myself. I felt cold and bitter. I hated God for doing this to me and was terrified of what would my parents happen were not there looking after me. Like he said, and he got courage and he moving forward. He want to live in this society and like a lion. And who are those? We have lot of things. The why what purpose we are coming this world? To get success. To get success and do something. You don't depend on others first. You have to get success in your life means you can do something. See here, who is born without arms and legs, he get success in his life and he get marriage also. He's get photos and he gets something lost and he can swim also in water. And see, who is this? Can you believe it? Yeah, we can't believe it. Why means we didn't see. And he is greatest person in the world. He is the citizen. See, we have to live in this society like a lion. And without arms and legs, we can live in this society. That he prove it, Rich. But it's happened in our surroundings. Somebody is hands, they are lost their hand. They are thinking like this. Why I am living this society? What purpose I am living this society? Like, we don't think like that. First we have to do courage in yourself. Thanks for watching. Jai. Be fearless. Be not afraid of anything. You will do marvelous work. The moment you fear, you are nobody. It is fear that is the great cause of misery in the world. It is a fear that is the greatest of all suppressions. It is a fear that is the cause of our woes. And it is fearlessness that brings heaven even in a moment. Therefore, arise awake and stop not till the goal is reached.